Hey guys, my Ford Territory's headlight on the passenger side has died, stopped working, so I've got to change that. So here's a quick video on how to replace your headlight. I'll put some light on the situation of light. So it's that there, main headlight. That's blown, and I've got to get it out and replace it. So get to the back of the headlight. That's the connector there, that's the bulb, that's everything right there. So what I found is the quickest way, because there's not much room to move there, it's a bit awkward position. You're best to take the airbox out of the way and the filter I take out. So don't be disheartened, it's pretty simple. 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. You don't have to undo anything else. You just lift that and move it out of the way. Because the hose is flexible, you just move that out of the way. Take the filter out. If you need to change it, you might as well do it now. But now, look at that. Gives you a lot more space to work with and access. So what I've found is if you pull the rubber grommet off, there's like a clip. I don't know if you can see that, and I'm doing this in the dark as well. Obviously I need the light, so I need to get it changed. So if I pull, that's if I get the camera right, rubber grommet, pull that off, it just slides on. If you pull that off, you'll see there's like a pin. This is how I did it anyway. So there's like a pin, see that bit of wire there? That holds the valve in place, and if you push it down and just to push it down and then down towards the ground, it releases it. See that? So that releases the headlight, and now you can move it a little bit. And what I've done is I take the connector off the wire. So there's a little push release button on here, and you'll feel it when you push on the sides. I'm trying to find it now, that one there. I'm pretty sure that's the release. So you push that and that comes off. Okay. Sorry guys, got interrupted by my 3-year-old son, but that's it there. You take the connector off, and there's the bulb there. You can even take the grommet off now. It comes off. See that? The grommet comes off, and the wire pulls away, and now you can get to the bulb. You got to twist it to get it off. Okay, there it is. Okay, so to put that bulb back in, you've got to put that, I don't know if you can see that little hole there. As far as I can tell, that needs to be... Yeah, you have to be quiet. Yes, or else they won't hear me. So that little hole, can you see that hole there? As far as I can tell, that needs to be at a certain angle. It's hard to show. That's what I found anyway. So putting it back in, you get a feel for it where it places in correctly. Alright? So I'm just playing until I feel that it's sitting in, and then once you've got it sitting in correctly, you can then put the wire over the top and close it down. There it is. Okay, so there, that feels like it's in place on its own, and then you can bring this wire down over the top, and then it and then you push it down and it clips in place. It's hard to tell. Push it down. There's like a little hook there that you push it down enough and it holds it in place. You gotta look for that. It's a bit hard with the camera. I have to do it. See how it pushes down? Okay, I've got a better camera. I've got a high angle on it now, so if you can see it there, it pushes in. There's like a hook there. If you got the bulb in correctly. Okay, sorry guys, I got interrupted by the sun again. So I've got it sitting in place pretty much correctly now. If you can see that, let me see if I can zoom in. See that? You can see that the wire hooks into there. If I pull it over, try and make it as well. If I pull it over, I have to push it down. Push it down. I don't know if you saw that, but basically to get it out, you're pushing down and pushing forward, I should say. I guess I'm saying forward and then down. Forward and then down off that hook. So you're pushing a little bit towards the ground and then towards the front of the car. I see that? Hook's in place. Now, see, that's pretty solid now. Okay, see that? Okay, so as far as I can tell, that's in place. See, that's in place. I don't know if that second one needs to be in the hook or not, but it feels like it doesn't have enough space. Okay guys, so the way the bulb fits in is, you can see the grooves. You can see, you try your best not to touch the bulb. You're supposed to wear gloves apparently, but can you see how those those two are closer together? So that's how it goes. And if you look at the grooves there, can you see the grooves? So that's how it marries up with the bulb. See that? And then you slide the pin over and it catches there. Okay, don't know if you saw that, so my hands and fingers are in the way, sorry. If you release it, I'll show you again. Those grooves, I don't know what the term is for them, but they've got to line up. Okay, those grooves have got to line up with where it goes into place in the actual headlight. So you can see that two of them are closer together than the other one. So it lines up like that perfectly. And then you put the pin down. And it locks it in place. Sorry about the camera work. So it locks it in place. Okay, hooks in over the top. And then you're putting the grommet back over the top. Okay, so that looks like it's not going to fit, but it actually does. So you just put that back on over the top, and it's got to just fix it up so it finds the connectors, the three connectors. You just got to move it around. Gotta move it around. That'll find some, see. Now it's got the three hanging out. Put that back on, make sure it goes on the right way. One up top, two on the side. One. My camera works terrible. Sorry guys. 3 grooves. You know what I mean. And that clips into place. Okay, so that's basically it. Now you best to test the headlight, so I'll keep it in one shot. Okay, so I haven't edited at all. So that's the headlight now on. Okay. I'll put everything back together. So put the filter back on correctly, dirty side down. Like I said before, it's an opportunity to change the filter. I haven't got a new filter, so I'll just keep going with that one for now. Next service, make sure it lines up correctly. Put the box cover back on, and you feel that slot into place too, okay? And then you just clip the pins back on. Okay, 4 of them. This one seems to be the most difficult one for some reason. Okay, got it. So that's the box back in, and that's your headlight change, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Okay, there it is. There's your headlight. Now, the driver's side is even less room to work with, so you got to take the battery out for that one. Bit of a pain, but definitely gives you a lot more room to work with. Okay, but that's essentially taking or replacing your headlight in a Ford Territory. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Catch ya.